Okay.
Rolling.
So, rolling. Usually you just gotta double check to see if there's any coffee from before. You gotta rinse this out. With this thermos, you can just close it. It doesn't really matter whether it's on. Slide this all the way to the end. If there is grounds from before, we usually put in used coffee grounds so we can use it for our compost. The filters are usually on top. You're gonna put a coffee filter in, and then when you get the coffee, there's usually a coffee scoop in here as well. Roughly 4 to 5 scoops is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coffee is usually just kept around here. This goes in, straight in. You don't have to turn in any way, just straight in, like that. Make sure it's on, press start. Only press it once. And then there is water already, so the coffee is gonna come in and then that's it.